morning to all present here. Myself Lipit and my batchmate Adit Kumar, Arpita and Deepa, and we are from 8th and Civil Engineering. And today we are going to represent our project E-Waste Concrete. Here are some contents: abstract, introduction, objectives, methodology, results and discussion, conclusion and future scope, societal relevance and reference. Abstract: E-Waste describes loosely discarded materials from electronic and electric devices. Much of e-waste are generated and only 25% of e-waste are recycled or reused. E-waste can pose a threat to human life and as well as to the environment. Electronic waste is one of the new waste materials that are emerging of the concrete industry. This project comprises of partial replacement of post-aggregate with e-waste in concrete, and it is finally observed that there is increase in strength for 10% replacement of post-aggregate to e-waste with respect to the conventional concrete. Introduction. Concrete is most important historic discovery of man when it comes to the construction. The main object of the concrete is that it can be manufactured easily at the site and also, but it requires proper curing and moisture content to gain a proper strength. Large amount of e-waste is generated every year, and out of which a very small percentage of e-waste is treated by either recycling it or reusing it. E-waste like non-metal parts are recovered and used to ingredient in concrete. So partial replacement of aggregate by e-waste, we can overcome many environmental problems as it reduces the landfill due to the e-waste and reduces the use of natural resources like aggregates. Objectives. The main objective is to study the effectiveness of concrete by partial replacement of post-aggregate by e-waste. To find the optimum percentage of e-waste in partial replacement of post-aggregate by as 5%, 10% and 15%. To determine the characteristic strength of concrete by conducting tests like compressive strength test and flexural strength test. To determine the durability characteristics by conducting sulfate test and chloride test and compare it with conventional concrete. Methodology. Here are some material collections. Cement. The grade of cement is M20. Type of concrete is ordinary Portland cement 53 grade. Sand. Type of sand M sand. Zone 2. Size 0 some 4.75 mm. Post aggregate size passing 20 mm and retaining in 12.25 mm. E-waste collected from P9 industrial area. And my batchmate will continue for you.
We will continue with basic material test. Some of the basic material tests for cement is the cement fineness modulus 5.2%. The specific gravity of cement is 3.15. Normal consistency of cement is 32%. And initial and final setting time of cement is 30 minutes and 580 minutes. And for fine aggregate, specific gravity of fine aggregate is 2.42. Water absorption of fine aggregate is 1. Sieve analysis of fine aggregate is 2. For coarse aggregate, specific gravity of coarse aggregate is 2.92. Water absorption of coarse aggregate is 0.5. And from IS 10262, we got target strength of for mixed proportion. And our target strength is to 26.6 Newton per mm square. Use 0.4 water cement ratio. And maximum content cement content of 450 kg per meter cube. And the volume of coarse aggregate is 0.64 and volume of fine aggregate is 0.4. And for volume of 1 meter cube concrete, volume of cement is 0.145 meter cube and volume of water is 197 meter cube. Mass of coarse aggregate is 1071. 0.873 kg and volume of fine aggregate, the mass of fine aggregate is 670, 0.146 kg. Water cement is of 186 and cement 450 kg and fine aggregate is 670.146 kg. Coarse aggregate is 1071.873 kg. We got a mix ratio of 1:1.49:2.39. We are conducting fresh concrete. We got a result of fresh concrete result test. Slump cone test. Slump cone is the most common method for finding out the workability of the concrete. These are the results we got for water cement ratio 0.4 and pressure gas. From the result we observed that the percentage of e-waste increases in compressed strength. For 10% partial replacement of e-waste, we have showed maximum increase in strength. And compression test results and graphs. From the results, we observed that the percentage of e-waste replacement has been increased at 10% replacement, and we got 26% of increase in strength than the conventional concrete. As from in flexural strength also the increase flexural strength test result. From the above result, it is observed that flexural strength of the concrete is increasing 10% partial replacement of e-waste, and 51% of strength has been increased when compared to the conventional concrete. From the above result, it is observed that concrete has shown 6% decrease in strength compared to the conventional concrete. And the conclusion. The experiment results have been shown. The experimental results as conclusion. The experimental results have shown that use of e-waste material in concrete can provide an alternative solution to minimize the environmental impact to unscientific disposal of e-waste. The following conclusion were drawn from the experimental result. From the test results, it is observed that as the percentage of e-waste replaced increases, compressed strength has increased. For 10% replacement of e-waste showed the maximum strength. For e-waste material in the concrete does not influence much by sulfate under curing conditions compared with conventional concrete. It is observed 10.28% increase in strength in e-waste concrete compared to the conventional concrete. E-waste concrete has shown 6% increase in strength compared to the conventional concrete under air curing conditions. This shows e-waste concrete has little influence in acidic conditions. The use of e-waste in concrete can be recommended for civil engineering construction, which is one of the economical way for their disposal in environmentally friendly manner.
Scope for future study. The present study can be extended to the test can be carried for different grades of concrete. The use of admixtures in the test can be performed to get improved strength. Societal relevance. The technology is changing every hour of the day due to the availability of new technology due to globalization and replacing the old electronic in large numbers. Point 1 of the method to recycle e-waste, an alternate material for post-aggregate, reduction of use of natural aggregate to give employment opportunities. And here are some references. Thank you.